Hi, welcome. Today I will show you how you can change folder color on Mac. And you will be able to add icons and emojis on folders as well. Before this, changing folder color was not easy. Today I will show you an app. With that app you will be able to change color in few clicks. App is paid but you can use it free for 1 day. Price of this app is low. If you have Mac then I think you can afford it. Introducing Folder Colorizer for Mac. If you want to change your folder color on Mac, you simply drag and drop a folder into Folder Colorizer and then change its color. It also has AI built in as well as the ability to add backgrounds, shapes, emojis, and of course color. Without further ado, let me show you everything that Folder Colorizer is capable of. And that's Folder Colorizer for Mac. It's fast, simple, and best of all personal. So go ahead, download for free now and try it yourself. If you want to purchase this app, please use our link. It will give us benefit. Nothing will cost you. Link available in video description. When you click on it, you will be redirected to main website. Then click on Store. If you stay there for 1 minute or more, one pop-up will appear, and it will give you 23% discount on all plans. Whichever plan you will choose, it will give you access to use all of the products for free. All other products are amazing. I will recommend you to choose lifetime plan because it will cost you one time only. I will review all products on my channel in future. So please like this video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video. I will see you next time. Till that, goodbye.